Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about one of the most basic yet the most important thing around us, energy. We cannot live without energy in whatsoever form. Although we cannot see energy, but we know its day-to-day uses in our lives. So let's try to understand energy. First, what is energy? Energy is defined as the capacity or ability to do work. So in order to understand energy, we must know what is work. Work is said to be done when an object changes its position. There are few conditions that are necessary for work to be done. A push or pull has to be applied on an object. The object should be set into motion. Without energy, we cannot do work. So here, let us take a look at some of the examples on different types of energy. Nuclear energy, potential energy, electrical energy, thermal energy, kinetic energy, solar energy, wind energy, light energy, sound energy, mechanical energy, and chemical energy. So now we are going to discuss some of these in detail. Let's start with mechanical energy. Mechanical energy can be divided into two parts, potential and kinetic energy. Potential energy, the energy that an object possesses when it is in static position is known as potential energy. It can be more or less depending on the height of the object. Kinetic energy, the energy possessed by an object while it is moving is known as kinetic energy. The word kinetic translates to the word motion, which means movement. Together, these two form the mechanical energy. Now, one of the examples of mechanical energy is how we generate hydroelectricity. In the hydroelectric water plant, the water is stored at a height behind the dam. When the doors to the dam are opened, the water falls at a height on the turbine, which then starts rotating and helps the generator to generate electricity. A few more important examples of mechanical energy are wrecking ball, hammer, the moon, the cycle, etc. Number 2. Thermal or heat energy. Fuels such as LPG, coal, petroleum have stored chemical energy inside them which produce heat energy when burned. They are used for various purposes such as cooking, rotating turbines, lighting a fire, etc. Number 3. Solar energy. The energy obtained from sun's rays are known as solar energy. Solar power plants are installed everywhere as they are a very good source of green energy and for sustainable development. We also use solar cookers, solar heaters for heating, cooking, etc. Number 4. Wind energy. The energy obtained from moving air is known as wind energy. It is also an eco-friendly source as it does not harm the environment. The moving air rotates the blades of the windmill, which then rotate the turbines and which then create electricity. Number 5. Sound energy. When an object is set into vibration, sound energy is produced. It needs a medium to communicate through, such as air, water, metal, or even a piece of wood. Electrical energy. Electrical energy is generated at power stations and later supplied to our home through electric wires. Electrons are present inside the electric wires. These electrons carry charges. Thus, we say that electrical energy is the flow of electrons inside the wires. Various devices such as laptop, mobile, tablet, computer, etc. use electricity. Light energy. Light energy is a form of energy which enables us to see things around us. Apart from the sun, candles, light bulbs, etc. are also sources of light. The light energy also helps in the process of photosynthesis. The sun. Now we are going to talk about renewable and non-renewable energy sources. Renewable sources of energy. Renewable sources of energy are the sources that are inexhaustible and will stay on earth as long as life is there. Some of the examples of renewable energy is solar energy, biomass energy, wind energy, geothermal energy and hydropower energy. These are also called as renewable energy sources as they can be renewed in a short period of time. Non-renewable energy sources. Non-renewable energy sources are the sources that can be exhausted, and once they are exhausted, it will take millions of years for them to be renewed. Some examples of non-renewable energy are coal, petroleum, oil, nuclear, natural gas, and etc. Now we are going to talk about the law of conservation of energy. The law of conservation of energy states that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only change one form to another. The total amount of energy in the universe is constant. So now we are going to talk about why should we save energy. Saving the energy is the need of the hour. We use fuel daily on such a large scale. Fuels are also disappearing fast from the earth. Also, using lots of energy means emitting lots of carbon dioxide and other harmful gases which lead to global warming and climate change. Thus, in order to save our environment, we should conserve energy. Thank you and Jai Hind.